Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom, the FLTRX 103 cubic inch fuel injection. This one's got a lot of really nice upgrades, including that smoke windscreen, grips, mirrors, highway pegs. It's got the rear passenger floorboards. It's got the setup so you can just throw on a backrest or a little top case. Beautiful condition. Only 14,000 miles on this gorgeous satin black Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom. Price to sell at just $14.99. That's $14,999. Make your Harley Davidson dreams come true. This gorgeous FLTRX Road Glide Custom. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Fuel injection, you're gonna love it. Reinhardt's. How do you like the way they sound? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.